Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Google account will be deleted in 29 days. So in order to fix this, all you have to do is correct your birthday. Now to begin, simply open any web browser or Google, simply tap on here and search for recover a recently deleted Google account and tap on the first Google help icon. Now after you enter the Google account help option, what you're going to do is tap on the first option that says follow the steps to recover your account. Simply tap on there and you'll be redirected to a link of Google where there is saying account recovery, recover your Google account. So enter your details or email or phone that you had used when creating your account. Then after you enter your email, simply tap on the next icon over here and you are going to put in your password, and then after that you'll be asked a few questions just to confirm that this is your account. Then you're going to be asked to make a brand new password. Have to make it something you haven't used before, and then they will need something to verify your age, and the quickest method is to use your credit or debit card to verify. And that's all there it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.